Good day, sales professionals. Are you ready to learn about the science of persuasion? In today's video, we'll explore the techniques you can use to boost your sales and take your business to the next level. But first, let's define what we mean by persuasion. Persuasion is the process of changing a person's attitude or behavior towards a particular idea, product, or service. As sales professionals, our goal is to persuade potential customers to buy our products or services, and there is a science behind it. According to Robert Cialdini, the author of Influence, The Psychology of Persuasion, there are 6 principles of persuasion that we can use to increase our sales. The first principle is reciprocity, which means that people tend to return a favor or a good deed. For example, if you provide a free sample of your product, customers are more likely to feel obligated to make a purchase. The second principle is scarcity, which is the idea that people want more of what they can't have. By creating a sense of urgency, such as a limited time offer, you can increase demand for your product. The third principle is authority, which means that people tend to listen to and follow the advice of experts. By positioning yourself as an authority in your field, you can increase trust and credibility with potential customers. The fourth principle is consistency, which means that people like to stay consistent with their previous actions and decisions. By getting small commitments from potential customers, such as signing up for a newsletter, you can increase the likelihood of a larger commitment, such as making a purchase. The fifth principle is liking, which means that people are more likely to say yes to people they like. By building rapport and establishing a connection with potential customers, you can increase the chances of a sale. And finally, the sixth principle is social proof, which means that people tend to follow the actions and decisions of others. By showcasing customer testimonials and reviews, you can increase social proof and build trust with potential customers. Now that we've covered the principles, let's dive into some case studies and research that support the power of persuasion in boosting sales. In a study by the University of Chicago, researchers found that waitresses who wrote, "Thank you," on the back of their checks received an increase in tips by as much as 18%. This is a simple example of reciprocity, where a small gesture of gratitude can have a big impact on sales. In another study, researchers found that by framing a product as scarce, such as limited edition, or while supplies last, sales increased by as much as 39%. This is an example of the scarcity principle at work, where customers are more motivated to make a purchase when they feel like they might miss out. And in a case study by Cialdini himself, a petrified forest in Arizona was struggling to prevent tourists from taking pieces of the petrified wood as souvenirs. By adding a sign that read, "Please don't remove the petrified wood from the park, as it will rob future generations of the enjoyment," theft was reduced by as much as 80%. This is an example of social proof, where people are more likely to follow the actions and decisions of others, in this case, future generations. So, it's clear that the science of persuasion is a powerful tool in increasing sales and business growth. By incorporating the principles of reciprocity, scarcity, authority, consistency, liking, and social proof, you can increase your chances of persuading potential customers to make a purchase. But remember, the key is to use these principles ethically and honestly. Persuasion should never be about tricking or manipulating customers, but rather about building trust and establishing a connection that benefits both parties. In conclusion, we can say that this video introduces the science of persuasion for sales professionals. The author explains that persuasion is the process of changing a person's attitude or behavior towards a particular idea, product, or service, and there are 6 principles of persuasion that sales professionals can use to increase sales. These principles are reciprocity, scarcity, authority, consistency, liking, and social proof, which the author explains in detail with case studies and research to support the power of persuasion in boosting sales. However, the author reminds readers that persuasion should always be used ethically and honestly, focusing on building trust and establishing a connection that benefits both parties. Are you having trouble expanding your business and reaching new heights? If so, our team of skilled marketing professionals is here to offer a free consultation to help you achieve your goals. We understand that growing a business can be challenging, which is why we offer a wide range of proven strategies and tactics to help you attract a larger customer base, increase sales, and ultimately drive growth. By scheduling a free consultation with us, you unlock the key to unlocking your business's full potential. Don't wait any longer to start seeing results. Book your free consultation today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.